Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Um, I said I'd probably do these a little bit different. This is about as different as they come. Um, I'm not going to show a whole lot of the build process much. Like I said, these is going to be a little bit different. Every once in a while I'll probably post some build stuff, but that's later on down the road. So I wanted to show you all this Brushy Mountain bushcrafter. This here a guy ordered, and he wanted some shells put in there. Yeah, those are 300 Win Mags. That one there not been hit. That's pretty nice little knife. Still got just a little bit of cleanup to do from finishing everything up. I put an edge on that thing. Y'all may be able to see it here. There it is. I sharpen these things. They're at 25 degrees. Made this sheath to go along with it. It's a right-handed sheath. It's got 5/8 inch of a nut welt in there. It's double stitched. That's why it's got such a large welt in it. Y'all can tell there's a little bit in there, oversized, but that's the way I like it. That's the way I like those to be. It's got a drain hole on the bottom. The stitching looks pretty good on this one. There's a little cattywampus right there, but the whole sheath kind of comes in right there. And I don't know if my drill bit track's a little weird. Of course, the one I was using broke, and so I had to get in there and get another one, and then it's straight from there on out. I do these by hand, so I get it started. This Brushy Mountain here is almost 4 inches. It's overall 8 1/4, somewhere in there, 8 1/4. That's the next step up from the very bottom of what I make. The very bottom's just a little bit smaller than this one. It's like 8 inches overall. This is the next size up. Has the black and blue G10, the layered G10. That's pretty nice. Fits in the hand really well. It's made out of 1095 high carbon steel. Like I said, these were not fun to put in because they are bigger than a 1/2 inch drill bit. So they get so that I had to file those out just a little bit more to make sure they're in there. They go all the way through half of the distance here, and they work out pretty good, pretty nice. Now I finished this all by hand this time. I done a whole lot of file work just to make sure I didn't mess these up. And there's a whole lot of sanding involved with these, and the last process, I have to buff it out, which makes it an okay deal. Yeah, I like making these. The shells are just a little bit of an addition, because most of the time I don't put those in there unless somebody wants those put in there, and that's just kind of what he decided he wanted to put in there, and he supplied those, so I didn't have to try to source those out. He already had those. Which, then again, you know, he wanted them in there, so I put them in there. He didn't want a lanyard hole either, so it was just a plain knife. That's about all I got for this video. Most of these will be out of order because this one's going to a customer, but the next couple will be kind of more of an explanation of what they are. So just remember, God bless, live life outdoors. Thanks for watching.